Ciphor here from the Powerbot forums. Just going to do a quick rundown on errors you may receive when compiling. Okay, so you've got your RSBot folder, you've put your script in the source folder, you've hit compile scripts, and you get an error like this pop up saying that the Java development kit was not found. This means my compiler could not find it. You may not have installed it. The easiest way to check is to go to my computer, your hard disk, program files, Java, and check if there's a JDK folder there. If there isn't, you need to install JDK. You may have also noticed that I have two program files folder. This is because I have a 64-bit system and this is for 32-bit programs. If your JDK is in this folder, you need to reinstall it for the 64-bit system. Okay, that should solve your problem. If you're still getting this error, and you're definitely sure that the right Java development kit is installed, you may have something wrong with your environment variable. So what you need to do is right click on computer and go to properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and then go to your path variable. You want to edit it, and I'll give you the full variable value in the description so you don't have to copy this from the video, and you just simply paste that in. Okay, that's that done. Let's move on to the next error. Okay, this one's an easy one. If you're getting this with only one script or maybe just two scripts and it's a random number of errors, it's not just 1 or 100, it's just a random number. Here you can see I've got 32. This is usually due to the script being outdated, and there's nothing you can do to fix it other than try and find a more up-to-date version of the script. Okay, let's move on. This next one, yeah, I remember this one. You get just one error and something with a little arrow about a curly bracket. Well, what you've basically done there is you've copied the script from pastebin or pasty, and you've missed one of the essential last brackets at the end of the script. So what you need to do is just recopy the script and overwrite the script that you saved before. Recompile and it should be fine. Next error. This one's one error, and it's saying that whatever the script is public and should be declared in the file name. So this is where you've actually called the file incorrectly, you've named it incorrectly. So for this you can see that I've named incorrectly because I've just put Fighter Pro, and I need to have capital F, and Pro needs to be in capitals as well. So I'm just going to rename that now. So Fighter Pro, and then you want to recompile and you should be fine. Okay, move on to the next error. RSBot could not be found. Please ensure RSBot is in the same directory as compilescripts.bat. And you're complaining that it is in the folder, but what actually might be in the folder is a shortcut to RSBot. So what you might have actually done is had this in your downloads folder, and then what happened was when you dragged it into your RSBot folder, it looks like you have RSBot there, but you actually have a shortcut there. You can see by the type that it's a shortcut, and when you hit compile scripts it will not find RSBot because it won't recognize it as a shortcut. Okay, let's move on to the next error. The invalid flag error. This is generally produced when you have more than one copy of the bot, may it be different versions or the same version. It generally throws out this error if you have more than one bot in this folder. And basically all you need to do is just delete them until you have just one current version of the bot in this folder, recompile, and you won't get the error. Okay, no JavaScript source files found. Well, it could simply be that you don't have any in there, and so in here you don't have that .java file, and that is why it's throwing the error. Or you'll be saying, it is in here, look, we've got fighterpro.java and it's still not picking it up. Well, if you hadn't already noticed, if you look in the type it says text document. The computer thinks it's a text document even though you added that .java at the end. Well, what has actually happened is it's assigned another invisible .text extension at the end. So to be able to view it, you need to go to Organize, Folder and Search Options, View, and then untick Hide Extensions for known file types. Click Apply, OK, and now you'll see that there's actually a .txt extension on the end. Simply rename the file by removing that .txt. Yep, I do want to change it, and now you'll see over in the type it says Java file. Now when you recompile, it will actually compile and not throw this error. And that's it. I've run through all the errors that I know of. If you've got any more that you're not sure about, or nothing's worked for you, you're still getting the errors, just give me a quick PM on the forums and I'll try and help you via TeamViewer or as much as I can through PM. I'm here to help, so I hope this has helped anyone who's had those errors. Should stop so many people commenting about errors on my video, and yeah, I just hope this has helped. So if I've got any more videos I'll make them. Anyway, this has been Ciphor from the Powerbot forums, and I'll see you all soon.